So today will be my first lightsaber unboxing from my first Artsabers product. This is the first time I've ever bought from Artsabers, so I really hope that they're actually as good as they say they are, or at least according to Carly King and Finding the Force. So I bought, they're not neopixels, they're just baselits. The rest of them is in this big box. So I ordered 5 hilts, but I don't know if all of them are in there. They're not replica, they're just basic dueling hilts. They're the basic custom dueling hilts. They're not replicas from characters. Well, I guess I can just pull this off. Almost got it. Almost there. Come on. Almost got it. And they put a lot of tape on this thing. So okay, I got it. Aha. So I got this one. I forgot what this one was called. Oh, by the way, Artsabers, if you're watching this, you gotta reorganize your category and products, because when you click on dueling lightsabers, it doesn't actually show dueling lightsabers. Instead, it just shows. So it'll say custom, or if you click on custom or dueling lightsabers, it'll show a couple of them are character replicas, a couple of them are, and they're not even baselits, they're neopixels. And they don't show they only show sometimes a couple items. So you gotta kind of play around with the website to find what you're looking for. Oh, and this is actually a connecting lightsaber that you can use as a staff. Let's see. Plastic, oh, of course. So I gotta oh, okay. So I just gotta take this off. There you go, I got it. So, connector. I'm not seeing a connector here or a retention screw, so I guess it goes down right here. That's weird. No connect. That's weird. This doesn't have a connector, or this doesn't have an retention screw, or an Allen wrench. Let's see if it'll. It's got a charger.
Power on.
Oh. Guess I still need to figure out the controls and find that retention screw. Charger, blade plug. Yeah. I don't see it anywhere. Now for the big box. Just don't want you guys seeing like what I'm using to like open up the box because I don't want to like get in trouble for showing a weapon on YouTube. So if I can get this open. Ooh. So I got right here. I'm not sure which one this is yet. I hope this one has more than one retention screw. Oh, so it's got two hilts. So I guess it's got two hilts in this box. So I guess I might have everything. Charger, gloves, for some reason. So this one says S16. Ooh, that is beautiful. And light. That's light. And now for the pink one. They're both the same. So like I bought like two of the same ones. Wow, that does got a nice grip to it. Like right on the bottom. So like right here, it's not like straight. It's got like it's like somewhere where you can just like get a good grip with. So I bought two of the same ones that are like two different colors, and they're both baselits. Okay, next box. I hope this is the one that I actually bought like two of course. Yep, this is it. The one that's one of the ones that is most recommended for dueling, because I hear it's easier to get a good grip with. Not sure what they call this one, but wow, that is a good grip. So I got a silver and I got a black one. I bought two of them This one might be dead. Ooh, yellow. Ooh, motion control, good. This one might be dead. I have to charge this one. Yeah. So, next box. Ooh. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, maybe this is a charger. Yep, charger, gloves, rubber grip for it, for the hilt itself. So I guess for this one I have to like put the rubber grip on the bottom, the leather grip on the bottom. So I guess the rest of them work so far. Blade. So I think these are all 36-inch blade. but I need to find the rest of the retention screws. Yeah, I'm making a mess. I think that's all of them. So I got... So I bought 6 hilts. And they're... Hold on. So I bought 6 hilts. Let's see, that's 5. I put a blade in, but I didn't stick the retention screw in, so that's 6 hilts, and they're all baselit. So far, I'm liking these hilts very good. These are pretty nice. And the sound is pretty nice too. Now, to find the screws and with the Allen wrench and the retention screw, let's see. Aha! So I found the charger and it has one. Let's see. I'm gonna put a blade in one of the ones that I want to use at the moment. Let's see. I'll put them right here. Oh crap! Not again. Let's see. Still good. Okay, retention screw. Ooh, I actually have a staff connector. I didn't know that. Oh, right here. Sorry, this is taking a while. I didn't realize that there would be a small mess. Just need to stick this right here. Okay, that's one. Okay, so this one will take 3 screws. I'm not going to do all of them because that'll just take up a lot of time, and I think they practically all have the same sound. I'm assuming because they're baselits, they might have all the same sounds, and they all look the same. So, come on. Come on. Okay, I got them in, so might get these out of the way Wow, this actually does feel pretty good. This feels a little too responsive. And the motion control is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna I'm not going to show all the blades turning on with all the hilts because that'll just be a full waste of time. But yeah, so far I am actually loving Artsabers when it comes to baselits. These are great. Huh. I don't know if the controls are a little different. I'm pretty sure they are compared to Paddle Outpost but I mean, Artsabers is pretty neat. It does take a little longer to get to you. I don't know why. It takes a little longer than Paddle Outpost. So like for me, it took like over a week. But Paddle Outpost, I guess, will take like 3 to 5 days. I've gotten mine in like 4 days. But I wanted to try something like different. And when I heard a lot of good things about Artsabers, and so far, pretty nice. So that's it for today's video. I'll probably be enjoying all these lightsabers, and if you really want, to get lightsabers like these for baselits, go to Artsabers. Note, it's going to be a little hard to actually find what you're looking for because their stuff is literally like all over the place, like I said. So just keep playing with the website. Like keep on clicking things, looking through things until you find what you're looking for. Make sure it says baselit, or make sure you can select RGB, because they could say dueling lightsaber and they might say neopixel. If you want neopixel, then okay. But if you really like want a baselit, just a heavy duel, make sure it says baselit. And if you're looking for a certain hilt that only shows as neopixel, but you can't find it, like if you click on custom sabers, or if you find like dueling, or if you click on dueling sabers, like I said, it doesn't show what you're looking for, like I said, because their stuff is all over the place. But keep playing with the website. Like click on go to a section where it shows all the sabers, and then just keep on like scrolling down to find and eventually you will find what you're looking for. But just keep on scrolling is what I'm saying, and eventually you'll find it. So that's it for today.